Alright, what's up YouTube? Chris back at it again with another vlog. What's up guys? Now today is something I've done before to the car, to my previous cars, but not to this car, not to the new G right here. So what I'm gonna do today, or what we're gonna do today, me and Herman over here, what we're gonna do today.
Got the C's,
oh
dog.
fuck yeah. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna actually polish my car, pretty much paint correct it. There's a lot of like little scratches on it from the previous owners who probably didn't really notice, didn't really care about it. Like when they wiped down the cars, just, you know, they leave just because of the dirt. You really don't like notice it if you don't really understand what's going on with the paint. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna wash it and then we're gonna start polishing it, and I'll let you guys know what we're doing as we go. It's pretty freaking dirty and I can't wait to clean it. I'm looking forward to this. I also have a couple announcements to make, but we'll get to that in a second.
Oh no, he didn't tell me.
We're currently using this Chemical Guys wash and gloss. That's pretty sick. I've never used this before. Herman swears by Chemical Guys too, so I always trust their products. Yeah. Damn, bro. Out, dude. Herman's Detail 505. Desert Detail
505. 505, eh?
505. Oh, it's 575 over here, bro. Just kidding. So technically, I already did a mod to my car already. I did the tailless turn, but what actually, I guess you could call it the first modification to this car. We're gonna be debadging it. So we're gonna be taking away that Infinity logo and the Infinity letters. So I'm gonna be taking both of those away today. I feel like every time I look at it, I'm like, ugh, it looks so ugly. Just take it off. Take it off already. Just like, I don't know. It's a little too much for the trunk, I feel like. So Herman ended up, you guys saw the clip, he ended up getting front bumper and he got the stock 370 wheels for right now. He's getting some more. Is that fully aired up? No, but it's looking freaking so clean. And he washed it just now earlier too. Should we get some little cinematics? I think we should get some little cinematics. It's sun's going down. It's perfect. It's perfect.
Movie buff, but she ain't seen breakfast at Tiffany's, a breakfast club. That's just before her time, so hard to keep a conversation when your mind's on vacation. You got pretty green eyes, I can see them dollar signs, girl. Oh yeah. I heard that you addicted to them sands now, girl. Go ahead with your sleepy ass. Go ahead. Shawty, give me a reason. You know that I'm leaving. Give me a reason.
Alright, so wash the car. Herman washed the car.
I always wash the car.
It's got my bag. Yeah, we're gonna start clay barring it right now. So pretty much if you have ever looked at any other like instant detail video or detail video, first you want to remove any impurities basically on the paint, which what this clay bar pretty much does. So it pretty much just picks up all the dirt. And what you want to do is you want to lube it up with some instant detailer that they give you within that package, or you can probably use some wax or something like that, because you're going to be polishing it away anyway. You're pretty much getting it to like the paint, then you want to seal it after that. But so for right now we're going to be claying it, and I'll show you guys the whole process. Just spray it on there so it has enough lube, and you don't want to hear any like, what would you call it, like you don't want it to fight it. You don't want it to fight you, I guess you could say, right?
Yeah, pretty much. Lube is your friend.
Yeah, I don't really hear anything, or I don't feel anything either. Super. So then once you're done like doing a little section, you want to fold that up so like it goes away and start flattening it out again. So we just finished up pretty much claying the whole car, debadging it right now. So Herman's actually going ahead and heating it up and basically just taking off the little emblem. So
it's all melted. Fuck. Spelling easy.
It'll come out when we buff it, but oh, is it the weeds? But it looks pretty clean already. We're gonna start polishing now, and I got these from Chemical Guys on Amazon. I believe it was like $40, maybe more. I'm not exactly sure, 30 bucks maybe. But it was a 3-pack. Basically, what this is it's like a more of a cutting pad, more basically to really cut the paint. The other ones are like more of like a finishing pads and like in between, but this one's really like to cut it to make like to go down to the paint and everything like that. So we're gonna start polishing now. Alright, so what's up guys? It's actually the next day. I didn't actually get to show you guys the finished result of the polish or what I got today, so I'm pretty excited. I kind of want to do a little unboxing. Since I don't have the car should be here later on tonight, and I'll show you guys exactly how it went. And it looks clean, it looks really good, it looks really fresh, and I'm happy the way it came out. So I am actually in the garage, and I'm actually with my little boy over here, and we are gonna actually unbox a couple things. Technically there's 3 things or 2 things, but one of them is actually an exhaust, and then the other one is a shift knob. So let's go ahead and get into this. Yeah, look, point it towards me. Stand over there. Right there. Okay.
No, he's saying hi to Granny Annie.
Granny Annie?
But that's Gigi.
Alright, so I got the ISR Performance Exhaust. So my son is helping me film right now. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Pretty excited. It's a single exit. This is the first time I've ever seen one, ever even ordered one. I just wanted to show you how big the box was. Kind of filmed the box, opening the box. No, you can't have the knife.
They could definitely hear you, Daddy.
Whoa, look at that.
They could definitely hear you, filmer man.
Yeah.
My brother's now my brother's now playing, and he wants to close the box, and he wants to place it, and he almost falls down, and now it's like a couch.
So here it is, guys. Here's the ISR Performance Exhaust.
I saw it, Daddy.
This is the resonator right here. This is the exit right here. Looks like it came with flanges and bolts, new bolts and everything. Looks pretty clean. I'm not gonna take it out of the packaging right now, just because I want to keep it clean as possible. I probably will keep it out of the box though. I'll just take it like this to Herman's house when we're gonna put it together. So there it is, guys. It's freaking so sick. I am gonna have to do some modification, I believe. I do have an 8-inch extension for it. So basically what the 8-inch extension is for this is technically for the for the 350, and the 8-inch extension makes it for the G35. I think I am going to encounter some problems because it's technically made for the 350, but it's the same chassis. So hopefully with that extension it'll just line up pretty good, and then I'll end up maybe having to modify a little bit of things. Other than that, that's the ISR. Now I'm gonna open up a shift knob that I got. So here is the shift knob, guys. Shift knob.
Whoa, cool.
So announcement, guys. I actually am sponsored by Mr. Moto. It's not a sponsored video, but they did send me out parts. Not technically free. I did get a like 15% discount, which is pretty cool. I signed up to be sponsored, so I gotta go ahead and put a decal on my car and post on social media for them, just to get that little 15% discount. It's pretty cool. You sign up. I'm pretty sure they do it to a lot of people. Fully sponsored by them, like full-on sponsor where they're gonna give me parts and everything for free, but you know, they do want things out of you, so that's what they do expect things from you. So this is the Mishimoto weighted shift knob. It's like a black version. I saw this on buying G35. I put his Instagram and I was like, oh man, I have to have that shift knob. So I went ahead and got it. Weighted, it's pretty heavy. Let's go ahead and take it out of this box. Dang, so this thing feels hella heavy. It's probably about 1.5 pounds, I want to say. Might even be more. I have to check online and actually see what the actual weight is, but it feels really heavy. It also came with some thread attachments and basically to fit anything, any universal shift knob. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on tonight, so let's do this, guys. All right, guys, so it's actually the next day. Like I said, I didn't even install my shift knob, but I just wanted to show you guys the car, the polish, the way it came out. It came out really clean. It's a lot cleaner than it used to be. It kind of rained last night. I didn't really get a chance to show you before, but here's the car. As you can tell, you can pretty much see myself in there. Like I said, it got a little dirty, but it's looking pretty clean. The only thing that's wrong with my car is really this part. I don't know if you can pick this up on camera, but you could really see the flake in the car now. You could definitely see the flake now, and it's looking really sparkly. But it looks good, the gray looks good. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much the video. I unboxed my exhaust, which I'm going to install right now. Stay tuned for the next video. Got my shift knob, polished the car, got it really clean, and you guys didn't notice. I think it looks really clean like that. So yeah, guys, go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe, and I will hit you guys up at the next video. Later.
She say that she a wanderlust, but she ain't seen the world so much to do at 21. You feel invincible, so hard to find someone to trust. She still a